In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set a custom charging limit on your Samsung Galaxy phone to help extend your battery's lifespan. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Battery. In the Battery menu, select Battery Protection. Toggle it on to enable battery protection features. You will now see a few charging limit options. To set a custom limit, choose the maximum option. You can then use the slider to select a limit, 85%, 90%, or 95%. Go back to save your preferences. That's it. Your custom charging limit is now set. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.